how to manage your TikTok app information easy and quick. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to manage your account on TikTok information. First thing, go to your TikTok. Once you are there, click on your profile. And now click on those three lines and click on setting and privacy. And you're gonna find the first option, which is manage account. Click on it, and here you have your account information: phone number, email or password. You can change or add one of them, and you can also control your account to switch to a personal or a business account easy and quick. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.